Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that when you're watching this, you are having an amazing week. As you can see, my kitchen is a total disaster. So in today's video, we are going to be tackling this, cleaning it up and giving it a nice deep clean. But first, of course, we need some coffee. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're a new viewer, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have a 7-month-old daughter and a little Maltese Yorkie mix named Princess. I live with my husband and my 2 sweet girls in Massachusetts. So right now I am just making sure that everything goes back to its proper home. It is incredible the things that can pile up in our kitchen and accumulate over time. I mean, right now I have some diapers, some baby clothes, leftover pasta from dinner last night. The list goes on. If you've made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below. How often do you deep clean your kitchen? I'm talking like cabinets, honestly countertops too. Like, how often do you clean your countertops? So this is a new method with the dishes that I actually mentioned in my last video. I got this idea from Tori. Her name on YouTube is Tori Flores. And basically what you do is you organize your dishes so that when you go to put them in the dishwasher, it's less overwhelming. And also I feel like it just runs a lot smoother because you're able to see everything ahead of time and then kind of plan out where things should go in the dishwasher. So throughout today's video, I have been using a new multi-purpose cleaner that I picked up at Stop & Shop. And honestly, if you are looking to get into the fall spirit, or if you've been looking for a multi-purpose cleaner in any fall scent, I highly recommend this one. It's by Nature's Promise and it's in the scent Honey Crisp Apple. When I tell you guys, my entire house smelled like fall and Honey Crisp apples. That is no exaggeration. It honestly just kept motivating me to continue cleaning and using it. I am absolutely obsessed with it, and it was only $2.97. I feel like you cannot even beat that price. So to clean my stovetop, I use the Weeman products. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but I have been using that since we purchased our home almost 3 years ago. And our stovetop, honestly, it looks brand new. It's actually kind of amazing, but I use the more heavy duty cleaner, and then they have a daily spray as well, but I always like to use the heavy duty cleaner. And the key is that you want to purchase the red sponges that goes like with the set. I find that they're like the perfect material, and they really can like scrub away at things that are sticking on your stove without scratching it. But anyway, I think I just distracted myself. But yeah, both of those products are incredible for cleaning your stove. So if you have not tried them, I would definitely recommend them. The daily cleaner you can use daily, but I honestly will kind of let things accumulate if I know that I'm cooking a lot for a few days, and then I'll go in with the heavy duty cleaner and then use the daily one right after that. So before I clean my kitchen cabinets, I always use a Swiffer duster. I find that if I skip this step and I'm too eager to clean the cabinets with a wet cleaner, that I'm just moving dirt and dust around. So I always like to make sure that I never skip this step. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, I use this multi-purpose cleaner everywhere today, all throughout the house. The only place that I did not use it was on our countertops because they're granite, and I use a special cleaner for our countertops, which actually brings me to this question. What do you use to clean your countertops? I'm curious if you have granite or quartz or anything like that. Do you use multi-purpose cleaners? Because when we got our granite countertops put in, the owners had mentioned like to be very careful not to use certain like cleaners and Windex, and it completely freaked me out. So I just bought like a specialty cleaner and I just use that. But sometimes it would just be so much easier just to use a multi-purpose cleaner, but I don't want to ruin our countertops. So let me know what you guys think. So I was really excited to clean up the kitchen today because I had a few more decor pieces, nothing crazy, but I wanted to just kind of put them out on display in our kitchen just to kind of, you know, make it homey and cozy for the fall time. Our living room is very fall right now, but I figured, you know, I just wanted to add a few more little pieces within our kitchen. So that concludes our video for today. Thank you guys so much for being here. I am so excited to see you guys in my next video, and I really appreciate you taking the time to be here today. I hope that I gave you some cleaning motivation, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week.